Hi, my name is Andres, project manager at Chapter Miami. This is our latest finished project. In this project, we did a completely new layout of the unit. The client wanted specifically 2 separate bedrooms with an open area living room and open kitchen, and maximize the space wherever it was possible. So we're in the kitchen right now. This kitchen used to be on one side of the unit. We were able to relocate all the plumbing and all the electrical to have it on the center part of the unit in order to maximize the space in the master bedroom. We also included storage on every possible area that we could. We use a natural stone marble countertops. So here in the kitchen, the client really wanted to have a sleek design with darker appliances. We were able to include an oven and a microwave. Also a ton of storage around the kitchen. We also included a wet bar with some LED features. Right next to the kitchen, we have the entrance to the master bedroom, which we built this concealed door. To my left, we have a master closet area, walk-in closet, which wasn't here before. Moving into the master bedroom, the client really wanted to maximize the storage. So we were able to build the storage behind these panelings, which allows to maximum storage. To my left, we have the master bathroom suite. And on this area, we have the bathroom for the secondary bedroom, which also is where we store the laundry area.